can we make a hot dog together?
Absolutely.
I want to try this one that has, you put your own homemade macaroni and cheese right on the hot dog.
Yes, and you seem like a college-age guy. Wow. This dog is a college favorite.
Oh, this is gonna work. What's it called?
The Maverick.
All right, so what do we do? Can we go back?
Okay, come on.
All right, we're gonna go. Come on, let's go. Come with me.
We are going to start with our hot dog.
Okay.
Which is a Nathan's. It's 100% all beef hot dog from New York City.
Yes, the best.
So you can grab one of the baskets up there.
Okay, I got this.
And all of our buns are from a local bakery. So we get fresh buns every day.
Okay, so that's, I mean, because that's one of the secrets, right?
It's one of the best choices that I made. I went to a local bakery and they provide us with fresh buns every day.
Because when you go to the store, you say, oh, we're going to have the cookout, we're going to have the grill going, we get the all beef hot dogs or whatever kind of hot dog, turkey hot dog, whatever. And then you buy the 99-cent bun.
Yeah.
What a travesty.
It is.
Go to the local bakery, get a great hot dog bun. What a great tip.
That is the key.
All right, what do I do next?
Let's get our mac and cheese going. So we take about half a cup or so. Take your local bun.
Look at this. Can you get a shot of these? I mean, look at these. Those.
I need you to take your hot dog out.
Can I just grab it?
Yep, grab one of those on the top.
It's hot.
We steam all the dogs, so they're all steamed. They're just beautiful.
They are gorgeous. Look at this.
Okay, so
see,
now
I
you
would
can
eat it just like this. I love a plain hot
plain
dog.
dog?
Oh yeah, that's the best. And you make the macaroni and
We
cheese.
do.
Oh my god.
Okay, so
scooping, I'm assuming.
yep,
here.
and we have generous portions.
Got it.
So don't be afraid to load it up.
Got it.
We want it slathered with.
How many Weight Watcher points is one of these things?
Are we even going to talk about Weight Watchers?
No, we're not. No, we're not. All right, is this enough? Did I do it right?
Yep, that looks great.
Okay.
So now you take the breadcrumbs. We toasted them.
Breadcrumbs?
Yep, we toast them in butter. A nice smattering. Yep,
Oh,
perfect.
look at
That's
that.
perfect.
Wow.
And then a little red hot sauce.
Oh yeah, I love Frank's.
Yep. Ta-da!
That's it.
That's it. That's it. Ta-da!
I have often found that the best things are the simple things. What do you think, Brad? You like it? Yeah, Brad says yes. All right, we're gonna eat this together?
Yep, come on.
All right, come on.
Should we sit outside?
Yes, let's
It's
sit
better.
outside.
It's a beautiful
outside.
day. All right, are you ready for a treat?
This is gonna be epic. I am so excited about this.
Oh, I'm excited that this is your first Maverick.
This is my first Maverick.
Won't be your last.
No, it will not be my last. What are we gonna, Lady and the Tramp this together?
Sure.
Yeah,
sure.
come on, let's
Come on, let's hoist it up because it's a big one.
It is. My gosh, it's gonna be a carpal tunnel.
All
You
right.
ready, Brad? Got this? All right, here we go. Oh my Lord. Oh. I'm good. Here's my tip. I think I have cheese all over my mouth. You need to bring people to Lucky Dogs that you don't necessarily want to talk to. Because once you take a bite of this, the conversation would come to a screeching halt.
It'll be over.
It is fantastic. This may in fact be the best hot dog I've ever had in my life.
Well, I'm so glad that you got to Lucky Dogs.
I am a lucky dog. That's what I'm talking about.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I have another bite? Do you mind?
Absolutely.
You want one? You should probably get your own.